It looks like Samsung will continue using 4 cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new flagship phone is likely to have the same main wide angle and one of the zoom cameras as the previous model. However, there's an upgrade expected for the other zoom camera, which should improve the phone's ability to zoom in. Additionally, there's a rumor suggesting that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will allow for better zooming when recording videos in 8K. According to information from tipster Ahmed Quater, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. This upgraded camera setup is anticipated to allow the phone to capture 8K videos with up to 5x zoom. The improved zooming capability is attributed to the enhanced 50-megapixel telephoto camera, which boasts higher resolution and larger pixels, leading to better light capture. In contrast, the current Galaxy S23 Ultra relies on digital zoom when recording 8K videos, while the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to incorporate a 5x optical zoom lens for enhanced zoom capabilities during 8K video recording. Additionally, the report suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will introduce portrait mode with 5x zoom, enhancing its photography capabilities. The phone is said to have improved stabilization for both daylight and low-light scenarios. The AI Object-Aware Engine, which reportedly functions on both front and rear cameras, is expected to provide features like portrait effects and other creative imaging options. On the front side, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to maintain the same 12-megapixel selfie camera found in the Galaxy S23 series. According to Ahmed Quater, Samsung has supposedly collaborated with Meta to enhance the image and video quality when sharing content on Facebook and Instagram. This partnership aims to enable users to post high dynamic range HDR images and videos directly on Meta's social media platforms. The goal is to improve the overall image quality when users capture and share their memories directly within these social media apps. Additionally, an earlier report suggested that the Galaxy S24 may have a feature allowing users to post images directly to Instagram and Snapchat from the lock screen shortcut. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.